Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back nearly a century to explore one of the most iconic cars in American automotive history, the 1931 Ford Model A. Built as the successor to the legendary Model T, this car represented a huge leap forward in design, comfort, and performance during the early days of the automobile industry. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and then wrap it all up with a conclusion. Exterior. From the outside, the 1931 Ford Model A shows off a timeless design. It features a tall, upright stance with bold fenders, a distinctive chrome radiator grille, and those round, standalone headlights that became a signature of the era. Available in multiple body styles, from coupes and sedans to pickups and roadsters, the Model A offered variety for just about any customer. Ford also introduced more than 30 different paint color combinations, giving buyers plenty of options, unlike the Model T's famous, any color as long as it's black. The overall styling struck a perfect balance between elegance and practicality. Interior. Inside, the Model A was a major upgrade from its predecessor. The cabin was simple but comfortable for its time, featuring upholstered bench seating, a basic but functional dashboard, and a large steering wheel for easier handling. The gauges included a speedometer, fuel gauge, and amp meter, which were quite advanced compared to what people were used to in the 1920s. The interior trim varied depending on the body style, but overall, it gave drivers and passengers a sense of comfort and usability that was revolutionary in its day. Performance. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 1931 Ford Model A came with a 201 cubic inch, 3.3-liter inline four-cylinder engine, producing around 40 horsepower. That may sound small today, but back in 1931, it was a big step up from the Model T. The car could reach a top speed of about 65 miles per hour and delivered fuel economy around 20 miles per gallon, making it practical for the average American family. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission, and the car featured mechanical drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which was a significant safety improvement for the time. Durable, reliable, and easy to repair, the Model A quickly became a favorite among farmers, workers, and everyday drivers. In conclusion, the 1931 Ford Model A wasn't just a car, it was a milestone in automotive history. It provided affordability, reliability, and style, helping America transition into a new era of driving. With over 4.8 million units produced between 1927 and 1931, the Model A remains one of Ford's greatest achievements. Even today, classic car enthusiasts treasure it as a symbol of innovation and resilience during the Great Depression. Thanks for joining me on this journey back to the 1930s. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1931 Ford Model A, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more classic car history. See you in the next video.